All right, long day. It's gonna be dessert. It's gonna be my wife's dessert. It's just simple vanilla. Maybe throw something else in there. Strawberries. We'll see what happens. Let me turn my scale on. Actually, I'm just gonna do plain vanilla. Okay. The app up. So this in advance, but whatever. Alright, my recipes. Daily usage of the Vitamix. Yeah, this is the one I'm going to use. She can have a little bit of sugar in hers. Half a serving. That's it. Ready to go. Get the scale on here. Usually that works. Maybe it's paired to the something else. No? Let's see. Okay. Not a big deal. We are connected. Okay, not a big deal. Skeeter Dune. Now, in reality, I've done this so many times that I could do it by memory. But this keeps me consistent. Calorie-wise. Sometimes you wing it and you start adding things and taking away things, and you end up with a different calorie count than you want. Extract. Now I would make a vanilla for myself too, but I'm kind of working on some other recipe for myself. And it's a bit experimental because the flavors are a bit too strong and the ingredients don't have enough freezing power. Just because you put it in the freezer does not mean it's gonna have enough freezing power to make the ice cream. So I'm just going to change a few portions around, which is fine. It's all part of messing around, experimenting with recipes and all that. Okay. Milk cubes. I was going to try and make this a mixed fruit thing, but kind of don't want to have to wait on thawing out the fruit stuff in the refrigerator, because right now it's a big block of frozen ice cream or frozen fruit puree. Okay, now we're down to the blending portion. Should I make it a coffee? I don't know. See, these are the things I start debating. No, it'll be fine. She'll be fine. All right, let's make it. The reason I have to tamp so much is because the whey powder, is the whey protein aerates the mixture, so it pulls up from the blade. So you just keep tapping, pushing it back down until it's all said and done. I don't care about that. I know it's about 160 some odd calories. I don't really care about the precision part of it right now. Shape it a little bit so it goes right in the freezer. Go, ready to go. Okay, that's hers. All right, I'm gonna cut right here to the next video.